Good morning, everyone. Yesterday we had revised the 3 chapters of grammar, that was chapter number 6, parts of speech, and chapter number 7, common and proper nouns, and chapter number 8, abstract and collective noun. So today we are going to revise the next 3 chapters, that is chapter number 9, the countable and uncountable nouns, chapter number 10, numbers, and chapter number 11 is gender. And this is the lecture number 4, the revision lecture number 4, and it is from the PC Wren's grammar book. So we are going to revise all these 3 chapters today. So you have to go through them from your books also. So let us start with these chapters. So topics which we are going to cover in this chapter, that is the chapter number 9, chapter number 10 and chapter number 11 is gender. Sorry, it is written by mistake over here 9. It will be 11 here. And the homework, I will be giving you the assignment and the homework solution. So the next is, so let us start with chapter number 9, countable and uncountable nouns. Countable and uncountable nouns. Simply from the name only you can recognize what is countable, the things which can be counted. Uncountable, the things which cannot be counted. So the countable noun can be singular or plural. Singular भी हो सकता है countable, plural भी हो सकता है. Like egg, गिन सकते हैं, countable है. Eggs, it can be plural also. We can use numbers with countable nouns. Countable nouns can be counted, जो हम गिन सकते हैं. Uncountable nouns, we cannot put an. We cannot put an or a number before the uncountable nouns. Uncountable means हम जो गिन नहीं सकते. Like sugar, a sugar. Can we speak it as a sugar? No, that is wrong. A oil नहीं बोल सकते. An oil बोल सकते हैं? No, it is wrong. So we cannot put the article a or an. A और an article नहीं लगा सकते हम uncountable noun पे. And they have no plural form. इनकी कोई plural form भी नहीं होती. It has only one form. एक form होती है. जैसे we cannot say one rice. एक चावल बोल सकते हैं? 2 चावल? No. It is just rice. Oil, water, electricity, happiness. We cannot count them. They all are uncountable nouns. So you can, for more and more practice, you can do it from your grammar book of chapter 9. So the next is countable. This is again the few more examples for you. There is some cheese in the fridge. Can you count the cheese? No. That is again uncountable. We use the word for uncountable. We can use some, any, much for uncountable. Fine. Now if we say there is an apple in the fridge, एक apple, we can count it. And there isn't any juice in the fridge. Juice को गिन सकते हो आप? No, that is uncountable. There are some bananas in the fridge. Bananas तो we can count it. Is there any milk in the fridge? Milk को count कर सकते हो? No, again it is uncountable. Fine. How much ham is there in the fridge? Can you count ham? No. Eggs को तो count कर सकते हो आप, है ना? So that is countable. Uncountable, which we cannot count, and we do not use the article a or an, and countable things which we can count. So the next is about numbers. Numbers means singular or plural. Singular or plural. In first or second class we do by the name by one or many. First or second class में पढ़ते थे ना, one or many. Singular means when we speak about one person or a thing, we use noun in a singular form. जब एक की बात करते हैं, एक person, एक animal, एक thing, कोई भी चीज़ है, एक है. Plural means जब एक से ज़्यादा की बात करते हैं. It is one person, not only one, it is more than one. एक से ज़्यादा. More than one person or thing, we use plural form of the noun. हिंदी में पढ़ते हो ना बहुवचन, एकवचन. एकवचन होता है singular form, बहुवचन plural form. Now see the examples. Memento, it is singular. How it become plural? Mementos, by adding s. Glass, glasses. Man, men. Now what we are going to study, we will study few rules of changing singular from plural form. सिंगुलर से प्लूरल फॉर्म में बदलने के लिए कुछ रूल्स होते हैं हमारे. सो द फर्स्ट रूल इज बाय एडिंग एस टू द सिंगुलर फॉर्म. जब हम सिंगुलर फॉर्म में सिर्फ एस को ऐड करते हैं, व्हेन वी ऐड ओनली एस टू द सिंगुलर फॉर्म टू चेंज इट इनटू द प्लूरल, लाइक बॉय बॉयज, टॉय टॉयज. एग्जाम्पल्स, चेयर सिर्फ एस लगाते हैं पीछे, चेयर्स. बुक बुक्स. नेक्स्ट रूल इज इफ द नाउन एंड्स विद एस, एस एच, सी एच, ओ एक्स. अगर वो खत्म होता है एस पे, एक्स, सी एच, एस एच, सी एच और ए ओ, वी एड ई एस. उनके पीछे क्या लगाते हैं? ई एस. एग्जाम्पल, ब्रश, ब्रशेस. गैस, गैसेस. बॉक्स, boxes, glass, glasses. Potato, potatoes. Tomato, tomatoes. But there are few exceptions also. इसमें कुछ exceptions भी होती हैं जिनके पीछे हम एस नहीं लगाते, सिर्फ एस लगाते हैं. लाइक फोटो, ई एस नहीं लगाते इसके पीछे, सिर्फ एस लगाते हैं. फोटोज. पियानो, पियानोज. सो द नेक्स्ट रूल इज थर्ड नंबर, when the nouns end with y. अगर कोई भी नाउन y पे खत्म होता है and there is a consonant before y, और y से पहले consonant है. You all have read about vowels and consonants. Vowels are a, e, i, o, u and rest of the alphabets are consonant. If the noun end with y and before y there is a consonant, we drop y को हटा देते हैं और क्या लगाते हैं? i, e, s. Like example is city, C I T Y. अब वहाँ से y को हटा देंगे and the correct answer will be cities, C I T I E S. Plural form will be cities. lady, अब y पे खत्म हो रहा है और y से पहले क्या है? consonant. It will be ladies. In this way. Next is when the noun end with y. अगर y पे ही खत्म हो रहा है और y से पहले vowel है, there is a vowel before y, we add s. उसमें तो हम क्या ऐड करते हैं? सिर्फ s. एग्जाम्पल, टॉय, t o y. y पे खत्म हो रहा है पर उससे पहले क्या है? o. सो इट विल बी टॉयज. बॉय, बॉयज. k e y, की. e आ रहा है, vowel है y से पहले, तो इट विल बी कीज. नेक्स्ट रूल इज फॉर मोस्ट ऑफ द नाउन्स एंडिंग विद f और fe. जब नाउन हमारा खत्म होता है f और fe पे, we form the plural by changing f और fe into ves. f और fe को हटा के हम क्या लगा देते हैं पीछे? ves. Like example is thief, thief. तो f को हटा देंगे, क्या बन जाएगा? thieves, thieves. leaf, leaves. calf, calves. knife, knives. wife, wives. इसमें भी बेटा कुछ एक्सेप्शंस होते हैं जो ये वाला रूल फॉलो नहीं करते. जैसे कि ROOF, रूफ. रूफ में हम F को नहीं हटाते, सिर्फ S ऐड कर देते हैं पीछे. इट बिकम्स रूफ. PROOF, प्रूफ. प्रूफ्स, सिर्फ S लग जाता है पीछे. फाइन. सो द नेक्स्ट रूल इज सम नाउन्स फॉर्म देयर प्लूरल इन एन इरेगुलर वे. जिसमें हम क्या होता है? इरेगुलर वे में कुछ प्लूरल फॉर्म करते हैं जिनका कोई रूल नहीं होता. लाइक मैन, मेन. वुमैन, विमेन. फुट, फीट. टूथ, टीथ. माउस, माइस. गूस, गीस. ऑक्स, ऑक्सन. चाइल्ड, चिल्ड्रन. आप अगर इनमें देखोगे तो बीच में जो वॉवल है उसको हमने डिफरेंट वॉवल में चेंज कर दिया है और इनके पीछे हमने en लगा दिया है. फाइन. So these you all have to learn. We cannot do anything. अगर rules learn होंगे तभी आप कर पाओगे. So the rule number 8 is if the singular nouns end in us. अगर noun के पीछे us लगता है तो हम उसमें क्या करते हैं? सिर्फ I लगा देते हैं. क्या करते हैं? सिर्फ I लगा देते हैं. जैसे कैक्टस, कैक्टी. us को हटा देते हैं. लोकस, लोकाए. रेडियस, रेडियाए. फाइन. So the next rule is the noun always used in plural form. जिन nouns को हम सिर्फ plural form में यूज करते हैं उनका singular नहीं होता, singular plural एक ही होता है. Scissors, scissors will remain scissors only. there will be no change in that. Trousers will remain trousers. सिंगुलर नहीं बोलेंगे इसको कुछ, सिंगुलर प्लूरल इसका एक ही है. Spectacles, spectacles. Socks, socks. Tongs, tongs. Some nouns are always used in singular form. कुछ तो होते हैं बिल्कुल सिंगुलर फॉर्म में यूज करते हैं. आप कोई भी न्यूज़ देखते हो तो हम उसको न्यूज़ ही तो बोलते हैं. अगर आप एक न्यूज़ देखते हो फिर भी न्यूज़ बोलते हैं, है ना. फर्नीचर, देयर इज नो प्लूरल फॉर फर्नीचर, it remains furniture only. So the next is, the last rule is, some nouns have the singular and plural form alike. Alike means जिसकी singular और plural form एक ही होती है, दोनों same होती है, जिनमें हम कोई change नहीं करते. Like sheep remain sheep, series remain series, deer remain deer, species remain species, sheep remain sheep, fish remain fish, aircraft remain aircraft. These all you have to learn. There is no other way to cram them. So the next part is of this lecture is, that is gender, nouns. Gender tell us whether a noun belongs to a male sex, female sex or neither of two. Gender हमें बताता है कि जो noun है क्या वो हमारा male sex है और it is female sex or neither of two, या दोनों में से कोई भी नहीं है. So there are basically 4 kind of genders in your syllabus, and moreover there are only 4 kind of genders. That is, the first is masculine, M for masculine, M for male. Next is feminine, F for female, F for feminine. Next is common gender. Common gender, it is when it can be a male, it can be a female. Male भी होता है या फीमेल भी होता है. द एग्जाम्पल इज डॉक्टर. डॉक्टर मेल भी है और फीमेल भी है. इफ आई टेक एन एग्जाम्पल इज सर्वेंट. सर्वेंट मेल भी है और फीमेल भी है. नेक्स्ट इज न्यूटर. न्यूटर मीन्स नॉन लिविंग, जो सांस नहीं लेते. एन फॉर न्यूटर, एन फॉर नॉन लिविंग. सो देयर आर 4 काइंड ऑफ जेंडर्स. दैट इज, फर्स्ट इज मैस्कुलिन, फेमिनाइन, कॉमन एंड न्यूटर. So let us see what is masculine gender. As I have already told, a noun that refers to a male person or animal is said to be masculine. Man, uncle, lion, bull, horse, mare. And feminine, a noun that refers to a female person or animal is said to be masculine. Jैसे woman, mare, lioness, lady, aunt, cow. Fine. So the next is neuter. Neuter also I have already told you. A noun which refers to a thing without life, जिनकी कोई जिंदगी नहीं होती, जो सांस नहीं लेते. That is neuter. Desk, can it breathe? No. Wall, chair, knife, table, ball, they all are neuter gender. So the next is common gender. Common gender can be both males or females. It can be both males or females are said to be common. Example, friend. Friend can be a girl or a boy. Cousin, pupil, person, parent, teacher, doctor, baby. So they can be male or they can be female also. So we have revised chapter number 9, countable, uncountable nouns, and chapter number 10, numbers, and chapter number 11, that is gender. So what your homework is, this is the worksheet 1, question number 1, write the plural form. You have to write their plural form. 16 are these. Next, the question number 2 is, write the gender of the following nouns. You have to write their genders. Fine. So the next is question number 3. Sorry, by mistake it got mixed up. First is happiness, B is rise. Fine. You have to identify, is it countable or uncountable noun. क्या ये countable है या uncountable noun है. First is happiness, second is rise, C is ice cubes, D is desk, E is crown, F is wisdom, G salt, H is sand, I is cake, J is book, K is electricity, L is water. So this is all about your homework. So now let us discuss the homework solution. I gave you this worksheet. Underline the common noun and circle the proper noun in the following sentences. I have simple written the answer. I haven't underlined or circled. See, first is Peter went to the store on Friday. Common noun is Store. It can be any store. I haven't taken the specific name of the store. Proper is Peter and Friday. Starts with a capital letter, proper noun. The family ate lunch in the New York. Common, family and lunch. Proper is New York. Emily played tag with her sister. Common is sister. It can be anyone's sister. Emily is the proper noun. Alistair went to the library on Monday. Common is library and proper is Alistair and Monday. Next is my grandma lives in Florida. So the common noun is grandma. It can be anyone's grandma and the proper is Florida. Next is Mark can see the river from the cottage. So the common nouns are river and cottage and the proper is Mark. Next is the Millers enjoyed their holidays in Jamaica. So the common is holiday and the proper is Millers and Jamaica. The clerks own a car. So the common is car and the proper is clerks. My teacher is Miss Gibbs. Common is teacher, proper is Miss Gibbs. Elise like art and craft. I haven't taken any particular name of this. Art and craft is the common and proper is Elise. So the next question was to underline the collective noun. Collective is a one name which is given to the group of people or the animal or anything. Two rabbits were being chased by the pack of wolf. Pack. Only the word pack is the collective noun over here. Do not underline any other word. It will be wrong. I bought a fresh loaf of bread. Fresh loaf. Loaf is the collective noun. A hive of bees. Hive. Mom made a batch of homemade cookies. Batch. I brought a bunch of grapes. Bunch. Lauren's cat had a litter of kittens. Litter. Where can I buy a deck of cards? Deck. When there are so many cards, we call it as a deck. I saw a pride of lines. Pride is the collective noun. Bobby will hoe a ball of soup. Bowl. Next is Chidi, help me wash a pile of dishes. When there are so many dishes, we call it as a pile of dishes. The last question was to circle the abstract noun. I have written the abstract noun for you all. See here the answers. The man had a lot of pride in his work. Pride means ghamand. The pride is abstract noun. We can feel it. We cannot touch it. I respected the honesty of my friend. Showed. Honesty. Imandari. Again the abstract noun. Can you believe that women's brilliance? That is believe. Abstract. To my delight, everyone arrived on time. Delight, happiness. Again the abstract noun. She was in great despair when she lost her phone. Despair. Abstract noun. Sixth is, we have a lot of hope for the future. Hope. They showed extreme joy when they helped others. Joy. When man had much bravery on the battlefield. Bravery, bahaduri, abstract noun. My mother always shows great compassion on her children. Compassion, that's the abstract noun. We have a ton of pride in our school. Pride, that is the abstract noun. So this is all about the homework solution, the assignment. So one thing I want to tell you that you all have the timetable for the online classes. So better going from these lectures, you should attend the online classes in which you can clear your doubts also. Fine. So you all have your meeting numbers. Every teacher's meeting number you have the timetable with you. You all go from these lectures. Better to attend online classes also, because we can see very less number of strength in those online classes. Every teacher is taking pain, but the strength of the student is very less. So it has to be more. Fine. So try to attend online classes. And one thing more, there is a competition, painting competition on 20th. On 20th, this 20th only. There is a painting competition. So what you have to do is, you have to make a painting, make it your video, and in proper manner. It should not be messy. In proper manner, you need to mail it on the teacher's mail ID. That's it for today. Thank you.